Ano yung mga ano yung mga pinaka minimum at pinaka maraming pwedeng gawin sa ilong? Ito ba natitrim itong alar, ano, 'di ba yung width? What can you do to enhance a nose?
Yes. Usually, there are different parts of the nose that we can enhance, the bridge, and then we have the ala and the tip. So, pag nagko-consult po yung patient, I ask them, ano yung, saan sila bothered po
Nagdadala ka
kasi?
ba ng picture ng ito yung gusto kong ilong?
Um,
Ilong ni Angelina
recently,
Jolie,
meron
ganyan.
pong
May ganon.
nagdadala din po ng
May
peg
benchmark,
po nila.
oo.
Usually, mga Korean K-drama na actors po.
Okay.
oo.
So bridge is ito. Ito
Bridge.
buto di ba?
Buto po, yes.
So anong gagawin ninyo? Papasukan nyo rin ng parang buto? Yung ba yung rhinoplasty?
There are different techniques po, but usually yung common sa amin, since kailangan talaga mataas yung bridge, is silicone implants. Other people,
Para
they
medyo
use
malambot.
cartilage po.
Cartilage from another, harvested from your ear usually, no?
ear, yes.
Kukuha ng cartilage from your ear, tapos yun ang ilalagay na...
Eh yung bulbous, kung masyadong malaki nga dito, paano yun? Surgery, as in tatapyasin? As in babawasan yung skin? Paano ginagawa yun?
Usually for the tip, kasi may cartilage po sa loob that for Asians or Filipinos, mas wide po. So, or it might be, yung shape po niya is more circular. So,
Yeah.
we have to trim it po, inside po.
sa loob yung incision.
Sa loob po, yes.
So, hindi kita yung, peklat? Magpe-peklat ba? Saan usually ang mga incision? Na?
Hidden po, we hide it in the normal lines of the face, so hindi po halata. Or sometimes inside, we call it closed rhinoplasty po. So hindi obvious po yung
So, but does that
incisions.
affect yung yung pag-amoy, yung singing? Kasi I know of some, I won't name nila, minsan daw, nung nagpapa-rhinoplasty, parang nag-iba daw yung singing voice. Kasi kung nasal, nakaka-apekto ba yon?
I haven't heard about it in
Your
personally po,
case,
but I think maybe if masyadong maliit na po yung airway, yung daanan po ng air, it might change. It might change the
So
voice
it
po.
can affect your singing. Like kunyari si Ali, magpa-rhinoplasty, mahilig siyang kumanta. So baka mag-iba yung tinig ng kanyang boses. Ganun ba
Maybe
yun?
if it's very aggressive, but I haven't experienced
You
yet
haven't.
po.
Okay.
Oo. Doc, ano yun? Ano yung downtime niyan? Doon sa mga nagbabalak considering rhinoplasty, ano yan? Meron bang pagpapasa? Yung mga, kung meron kang mga incision, gaano katagal bago ka, yung downtime na tinatawag, operahan mo ako, kunwari pa-opera ako sa'yo ng Sabado, gaano katagal yung leave na kukuhanin mo para pagbalik ko, pwede ko ng make-upan, pwede na ako pumasok, hindi
Normal.
mahahalata na nagpa-rhino ako.
Usually po, right after the surgery, the first 3 to 7 days, sobrang maga po. Mas
malaki pa
mas
yung ilong
malaki
mo
pa.
sa
So
original.
natatakot yung patients, they feel, yung iba nalulungkot. So that's normal po, sobrang maga. And then it will gradually go down in 2 weeks. But hindi pa rin yun yung final result. We usually tell them, it will be seen 3 to 6 months po yung
yung
gradual
after.
na po.
Oo.
Pero hindi na siya obvious na nagpa-opera. So,
Okay. So in terms of cost, doktora, how much does it cost? Anong range dito sa pagkukuha ng rhinoplasty? Yan ba pwedeng i-charge sa medical insurance? Is there a health benefit for that? Or it's purely aesthetics lang talaga?
it's purely aesthetics po since that's
Baka
why hindi siya
enhance,
covered po.
napakaganda.
Yes,
So,
hindi
in terms of
covered.
cost po, magkano umaabot ano yung range? Depende ba sa laki ng ilong yan at sa liit?
Sa
Sige po.
dami ng gagawin.
Yes, sa dami ng gagawin.
So ano yung range? Para mapaghandaan ng mga banidoso o pango.
Usually po, the most basic, it could range from 60 to 140. Depende din po kung papatulugin yung patient.
Pero
or if
outpatient
gising.
lang siya.
It's outpatient po.
Outpatient
usually.
lang.
Yes
So,
po.
sino yung mga dinidiscourage mo? If somebody comes to you, ay, masyado ka pang bata, let's wait. Kasi magbabago pa yung ilong mo, whatever. Is there an age? Is there like, let's say, kung sa gamot, parang contraindication, no? I would not, you reject na yung pasyente na I'm not going to do rhinoplasty on you. Ano yung mga instances that you advise against a rhinoplasty?
Maybe, I would say if the patient has what we call unrealistic expectations
Ayun.
or we can tell na maybe the reasons for doing the rhinoplasty are not
Right.
right.
Like
the
what?
right
Ano yung
reasons, like,
dahilan para hindi yun ang tamang dahilan para magpa-rhinoplasty?
For example, they feel that it will solve their problems mo sa buhay or
Mas
help with
mamahalin
their
ako ng asawa ko
relationships.
pag
Pero,
matangos na yung ilong ko.
Sasagutin na ako ng ano ko,
Heartbroken
ng liniligawan ko dahil tumangos na ilong ko. Sasabihin mo, walang garantiya yan. So, doktora,
How old? How young?
usually, we recommend 18 to 21 and above. Also, since they're deciding for themselves. And when you're younger po, nag-iiba din yung shape ng noses. So, at least when you're 18 and above, more or less, that's the shape
Yun na
na po
yun,
ng
oo.
ilong.
Let's get together. Sunday 25. Sunday 25.